Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel an Adidas order online using your Adidas app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So we need to understand when you can actually cancel. So if the order hasn't been processed or shipped yet, Adidas allows cancellations. So now to cancel it, we need to open up the app. And then from here, we need to sign into our account and click into our account. Now, inside of your account, we want to go ahead and click onto order history. And now this is where we could see that pending order. So simply click into that order and then it might give you an option to cancel because it hasn't been processed yet. Now, if it doesn't, don't worry, and we can do another step here. So come back to our profile, scroll down, click onto need help. And then from here, we can start chatting with an agent and just letting them know what item you want to cancel. You made a mistake, or if you don't want to chat via the AI bot, we can also give them a phone number. So they're going to give you a phone number near your region. So give them a call Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. So just give them a call and then let them know what item you want to cancel. Now, if cancellation isn't possible, just simply wait for your items to arrive, then return them using the Adidas standard return process.